Hi, today we will show you how to clean industrial printer with the cleaning kit. Here are the 3 tools we will use for our cleaning tutorial. A cleaning card, a cleaning cloth, a swab, or a cleaning pen as swab replacement. Let's start with the cleaning card first. Before you start cleaning, remove any media and turn off your printer. Open the printhead and insert the cleaning card to the feed path. In this video, I'm using 4-inch or 102mm cleaning card. Make sure the printhead is close. You will hear a click sound. After you close it, pull the card out of printer. Pull it out slowly and repeat the process 2 to 3 times if necessary. And that's it! You can throw away the card after it is used. Next, we will be using a swab to clean the printhead. Here's an example of printer printhead. Use the swab or a cleaning pen to clean the thin glass in the middle of green area. Now let's try with the actual printer. Same as before, wipe the thin glass as this part is sensitive to dust, dirt, or fingerprint. Wipe a few rows 4 to 6 times. After you have wiped, you can throw away the swab. Lastly, we will be using a cleaning cloth to clean the printhead and the roller. Take out the cleaning cloth and clean the printhead. Make sure you don't touch the printhead and the cloth is clean. Next, clean the platen roller. When cleaning the roller, you can also check if the roller has any residues. Please do not use sharp tools to remove residues. If the roller has any cracks or holes, you may need to replace with a new one. Here's an example of dirty platen roller. This is a different roller model which can also affect the print quality. Clean all part of the roller and change the cloth if it's too dirty. After you have finished wiping, you can throw it away. When you have done all the 3 steps of cleaning, you can install back the media and do a test print to see the print quality. Here are some of the bad print quality. A dirty printhead will have 1 or more consistent lines on every labels printed. That's all for our cleaning kit tutorial. If you're having issue with print quality, you may need to check the printhead or replace it. Or you can contact us and we'll help and advise you to suit your needs. For more info, check the description below for our website for other printer and scanner products. Thank you for watching.